Hi everyone. In today's session, let us try to understand the job opportunities that are available for you after completion of your Feng Shui. Now, I do understand, and please do note the opportunities that are there. Yes, they are going to improve over the years because I think Feng Shui is something that is much sought out today compared to what it was before, or the outreach that Feng Shui has gotten over the years has increased tremendously. But like I said, after successfully learning and completing your understanding of Feng Shui, and if you're planning to take it up either as an enthusiast of Feng Shui and you want to learn everything on your own, or if you feel that you can go and join a graduate course where you want to learn Feng Shui for a diploma, anything at all, this field will kind of help you go and delve into places like consultations, designing, and other holistic wellness areas. But like I said, this Feng Shui Chinese technique must be focused on using it only for harmonizing a space for any environment that is inhabited by people, either be it for a residential space or a commercial space. But please do make sure you also inculcate design logistics while going about making spaces as per Feng Shui. Now, coming into each of them, firstly, let me tell you the first job opportunity I was able to identify as a person who knows Feng Shui. The first one is a normal Feng Shui consultant. Basically, the job description of this goes such that you will be able to provide guidance and advice to clients as how exactly you can go about arranging spaces as per Feng Shui, be it for homes, offices, retail, commercial spaces. And the salary range is anywhere between 20,000 to 40,000 per month. And if you're looking at in a per annum criteria, you can look at almost from 2.5 to 4.8 lakhs per year. If you're in an experience level with say nearly 3 to 5 years, you can get anywhere between 4.8 to almost 9 lakhs per annum. And as a senior consultant, you can get anywhere between 9 lakhs to almost 18 plus lakhs in a general understanding. Of course, these are just price ranges because of the approach of people, or understanding what exactly the clientele requirements are, or even understanding your actual scope while applying Feng Shui on site. The price ranges will vary. It can even go to a lower count or a higher count. But yes, this is something that you'll have to look into. These are just general variation pay scales that I can give you as an example. The second thing that you can look into is becoming a dedicated interior design Feng Shui enthusiast. This area completely understands with how you're placing interiors of a space, not just through color therapy, but even orientation and other aspects. You can look into it to bring out harmonious spaces into their entire lives. So again, while we talk about this, along with knowing design logistics like the color palettes, or by knowing the colors that you can use, the fabrics, the textures, the actual application of it into interiors, it's very important for us to know their psychological needs as well, so we can go about designing as per that using color. So the salary ranges, again, these are just ranges, not the exact that you'll be getting. Scope of work and other requirements do play a role to actually get your finalized amount. But for an entry level person, we can expect anywhere between 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs or 6 lakhs also per annum. For an experience with about 3 to 5 years, you can say anywhere between 6 lakhs to 12 lakhs per annum. And for a senior level consultant, it can be about 12 lakhs per annum and above. Okay. Next, of course, we get into Feng Shui for real estate consultations. If you guys do know, there are a lot of in real estate consultants who are there in the industry who want to basically help not only clients personalize and select their spaces and design them as per Feng Shui, but also give them advice based on location, based on layouts, based on orientations, and all of those aspects. So for this, one of the best places or salary ranges that I would suggest for entry level is anywhere between 3.6 to 6 lakhs per annum. For an experience with about 3 to 6 years, you can expect anywhere between 6 lakhs to 12 lakhs per annum. And for a senior level advisor, you can expect anywhere with 12 lakhs plus per annum. Please do note this is as per the Indian currency, and again the pricing might range or vary based on the scope of work, your experience, your expertise, and actual management on site. The next thing is that you can either become a Feng Shui teacher or a trainer or an instructor. So again, this gives you an opportunity to not just experiment but also give other students an opportunity to learn through you. This can either be through certified courses, this can be through considering on-site workshops or online workshops, or anybody who wants to learn this science, you can definitely teach them and help them incorporate them into your design careers. Again, entry level, this can be based on various areas. It can be either you're doing one-to-one teaching, it can be an online session that you're giving for a bunch of people or a batch of number. Or if you want to have like a course or graduation, there are a couple of hours that they have to work in order to get the graduation and give a skill test or something like that. But whatever criteria it is, a basic level salary range is for an entry level person is around 2.5 lakhs to 4.8 lakhs per annum. For a person with nearly 5 years of experience, you can expect anywhere between 4.8 lakhs to almost 8.5 lakhs per annum. And for a senior level teaching staff, you can expect anywhere between 8.4 lakhs to 10 lakhs plus per annum. All right. Again, like I said, one of the key skill sets that are required for them is not just understanding how to teach, understanding public speaking skills, course development skills, content development skills, feng shui knowledge, proper application, and how to make it strategized into an online platform if it's taught online. The next opportunity that you can look into is becoming an author or a blogger or a written content creator on any of these platforms. And this is something that is sought out today, not just for people who want to tell the world that they know a feng shui, but this can also be used as clickbaits for those of them who try to, market their brands or market their firms and stuff like that. So if they want to give them a clickbait by either writing blogs or articles or or newsletters or promotional emails, anything at all related to feng shui, you will be getting paid. Of course, the salary ranges will differ. Either it can be a part-time job or full-time job, and it can even require understanding of marketing strategies. All of this together, your salary ranges in terms of an entry level can be around 1.8 lakhs to 3.6 lakhs per annum. For an experienced person with nearly minimum of 5 years of experience, you can expect between 3.6 lakhs to 7 lakhs per annum. For a senior level, I would preferably say 7 plus years. For this, you can expect anywhere between 7.2 lakhs per annum to nearly 12 lakhs per annum. Of course, variations of pay is going to be there based on how exactly your contract, making a contract within the other team that you're going to be working with. So based on that, your salaries will be negotiated. These are again just very rough figures. The next job opportunity that we have is as a Feng Shui health and wellness consultation. This is primarily dealing with the knowledge of health and wellness, how to incorporate these elements using Feng Shui, and understanding about wellness coaching and also client management. These are very important areas that you'll have to be understanding, have a niche with, and then go about practicing it. So again, entry level is anywhere between 3 lakhs to 4.8. For a mid-level or an experience, say about 5 to 7 years in the industry, you can expect 4.8 to 9 lakhs per annum. And a senior level can expect anywhere between 9 lakhs plus per annum. The next one that we have about is online Feng Shui consultation. This is a little tricky to deal with because most of the times when you're opening a consultation firm, people expect you to come and visit their sites for an on-site consultation. But these days, something that is increasing majoritively areas where they're either out of the country or very far from where the actual consultation firm is. People want online consultations only. So you should be able to know the online tools for consultation, the digital communication methods, the correct knowledge of marketing, and also proper Feng Shui knowledge. Using these key aspects, you will be able to get yourself a wide array of clients from not just the area you reside, but from across the world who want consultations through online. And again, entry level is completely based on the scope, your expertise, and your actual tools that you know through to making your work familiarized to digital communication. And like I said, the entry level for these can be anywhere between 1.8 to 3 lakhs per annum. Your experience can come in, that is again I'm selling the higher number, nearly 7 years of experience. It can be from 3.6 to 7.2 lakhs per annum, and for a senior level you can expect anywhere between 7.2 to 212 lakhs per annum. Okay, the next thing that you have is basically a Feng Shui for business and corporate consulting. Like I said, Feng Shui is not just limited, from our previous sessions also I mentioned that Feng Shui is not just limited to your residential spaces. They can be incorporated in commercial spaces, they can be incorporated in your retail spaces, industrial spaces. There are various elements where you can look into it. But for each of them, it's very important to know that you have the right skill set. So the key skills that people look for business and corporate counseling as per Feng Shui is corporate strategies, spatial planning, either be it for an entire office level or a cubicle level, client relationship management, and your actual expertise in Feng Shui. Based on these elements, your entry level salaries can range anywhere between 3.6 to 7.2. And for a salary, for a mid level or an experienced level, you can expect a salary between 7.2 to 12 lakhs. That is again if you are having at least 5 to 7 years of experience. And for a senior level, I can nearly say 8 plus years of experience, you can expect anywhere between 12 lakhs plus per annum for going about doing a feng shui for business and corporate consultation sectors. Now, what are the key benefits of actually learning feng shui and getting a diploma based on the same? So one, of course, like I said, is because of the growing demand and people being more aware of feng shui and its actual applications, and it's how exactly people are able to see that this is bringing about a change. Even though it is from China, even though many people do believe that this is not, many people are skeptical with the approach, but its outreach has increased over the years. And like I said, not just to regions of India and China, but to many parts of the world, people want their spaces to be feng shui compliant. So you are going to be able to get a wider range of people, not from your design perspective, but also want their spaces to be design and feng shui logistic perspective. Again, like I said, Feng Shui being something that is buddingly increasing over the years, it does have a diverse career options like we just discussed. So it gives you more possibilities to venture out apart from your normal scale consultations as well. So you can venture into those. Another thing that we have is your entrepreneurial opportunities. So this helps you, giving you a possibility either through online or an on-site method, but you will be able to establish your own consultancy or a firm where you will be able to have the complete freedom and niche to design spaces, like I said, with a design perspective and interior design perspective along with a feng shui perspective. So it is a very relevant thing to be able to get a diploma or a graduate course from feng shui, so you know that you were guided properly from the right teacher to help you go about making your own spaces feng shui compliant. So saying that, that is about for today's session, guys. I hope I gave you an entire objective and an overview of the job opportunities and the average pay scales that you can get for entry level, mid level, and your senior level areas of the same. So saying that, thank you very much.